Digestion in humans. We have seen in the previous chapter that plants can prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis, but animals cannot prepare their own food. Animals get their food from plants by either directly eating plants or indirectly by eating animals that eat plants. Some animals eat both plants and animals. All living things require food for growth, repair and functioning of the body. We know that food has many components like protein, carbohydrates and fats. Carbohydrates are complex substances, so these need to be broken down into simpler substances so that our body can use it. The breakdown of complex components of food into simpler substances is called digestion. Different ways of taking food in animals. Different animals have different ways to taking food. Let us look at some examples. Times bees and hummingbirds suck the nectar of plants. Times babies of humans and many other animals feed on mother's milk. Times snakes like the python swallow animals. Times some aquatic animals filter tiny food particles floating nearby and feed upon them. Let me tell you something interesting about starfish. Starfish feeds on animals covered by hard shells. After opening the shell of the animal, the starfish removes its own stomach through its mouth to eat the soft animal inside the shell. The stomach then goes back into the body, and the food is slowly digested. Isn't this amazing? Now let us look at the process of digestion in humans. We take in food through the mouth, digest and use it. The unused parts of the food are removed from the body. This is called defecation. Have you ever wondered what happens to the food inside the body? The food passes through a long canal which begins at the mouth and ends at the anus. The canal can be divided into various compartments. I. The buccal cavity or the mouth. 2. The food pipe or esophagus. 3. The stomach. 4. Small intestine. V. Large intestine ending in the rectum. 6. The anus. Is it not a very long path? These parts together form the alimentary canal or the digestive tract. The food components slowly get digested as food travels through the various compartments. The inner walls of the stomach and the small intestine and the various glands that are linked to the canal such as salivary glands, the liver and the pancreas secrete digestive juices. The digestive juices convert complex substances of food into simpler ones. The digestive tract and the related glands together make the digestive system.